Hi friends, have a nice day. Today I talk about how to make a website. Okay, let's go make a website. Now you type www.blogger.com create. You can see this. Blogger.com. You click it. You can see this. Create your blog, publish your session your way. Create your blog. Now next. You can title your website. Now I type science. I make a science website. Address SLT Mati. You can see the blog address is available. You can see this blog address is available. Now I go next. Display name, a host or your name. You can type this. I type Mathila. You can see Mathila. Now I finish processing. This is my new blog. You can open this blog. Same. You go new post and you can type hi friends. And these are tools. Same Microsoft Office, HTML, redo, undo, font type, normal or font, small, normal, medium, large. This tool is you type heading, footer, major, normal, paragraph. This one bold, italics, underline, text color, text background color, insert or edit link, insert image tool. You can upload from computer, photos, Blogger by URL, and upload video, upload from computer, YouTube. You can type a symbol, draw symbol. you can see I click the face and write this. You can write title, hi, and this is icon is right. Your words are saved. You can now publish. Confirm. You should do your first post. You think how to go the states and can the views one day ago you can see the views. I make blogs. These are my blogs. I make same this. You can go states and views. Views 2, views 6. More about this blog. You can saw all the US, Sri Lanka. Comments. You can show comments, like that pages, layout, theme. You can click the theme and this is my blog. This is a theme. I think now you can understand and you can make the bloggers. These are CC English, animals. You want new blog, you can go the new blog and title next address, some are use the address you can't available. You saw this, sorry, this blog address is not available. That's mean who use this address. Now you can show that this blog address is available. Who are not use this blog, this address. So this is my DF blog. No post, new post, same. I delete this. I think now you can make these blogs. Thank you.